I have the OnePlus Nord CE6, and in this video I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth devices to this phone. Now the first thing you need to do is to go into settings, and then under settings you want to ensure that Bluetooth is turned on and that it's scanning for available Bluetooth devices to connect to. So the next thing is to ensure that you put your Bluetooth device in pairing mode, and different Bluetooth devices have different ways of putting in pairing mode. So for these ones I have earbuds, and for this particular earbuds all I have to do is open the lid to the case and then find the pairing button, which is on the side, and then now all I need to do is press and hold the pairing button until that light starts flashing white like that. And as you can see, it has already detected my earbuds, and once it starts scanning for Bluetooth devices, it's going to find them right here under available devices. So tap on your Bluetooth device and then confirm that you want to pair to that particular Bluetooth device, and it's going to be connected, and you can now start consuming it for media, using it to consume media and all that stuff. So that's basically how to connect Bluetooth devices, speakers, headphones, and any other Bluetooth device to your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. If this was useful, leave a like and subscribe. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.